Yo, yo, we should be live. Oh, oh gosh. Good morning, everybody. It's another day. Guys, Tesla hit 614 yesterday. Can you believe that? The day we sell, it immediately shoots up. Or the following day. 614. Not what I expected necessarily. Bitcoin, by the way, is pulling back. So we're still seeing some resistance at 38,000. Let's see, let's pull up crypto really quick. 4 hour. Right around 40K. 40K is what we're still topping. It's not good. Um, I could see another pullback to like 35. Let's wait. 35. Ethereum is actually green 2.48K. The fear of the Doge. Doge had a crazy spike yesterday after Elon tweeted the Doge Reddit thread or community. He was asking for ideas as well. Immediately started shooting up. I'm waiting for the last day before he's on my dry powder. Oh, I'm waiting too. Even just for stocks. Oh yeah, Elon saved Mara. Mara and Ryan, he gave him a good little pop. Let's pull them up really quick. How's Mara? It was at 23.29 into the close. It saw a push to like 23, and then right now it's at 22. Riot, probably the same thing. Yep. AMC. Oh, 14, almost 14 hour, $14 after hours. Yesterday it's at 13.16. I took a look at GameStop's chart after hours, and I was really confused. Like this confuses me a lot. That does not look normal at all. Like, does that look normal to you guys? Does does this drop look normal at all? Because it doesn't to me. All right, let's see what the news says. GameStop modestly pre-bell. AMC shares were nearly 1% higher on the new release of F9. I'm assuming F9 means Fast and the Furious. Oh yeah, it does Fast and Furious. When does that come out, by the way? I never even got the chance to go see the Mortal Kombat one. Coffee machine works today. It's gonna be a good morning. Many of you don't know the economic history of MGM Studios is basically old James Bond movies and are lots of money losers. I don't know about that. Yeah, this does not look normal. Let's see. What's going on, Jacob? Spy. I've been really looking at TLT lately. Oh, wow. I guess buying those 15 shares of Twitter at $53, it was a pretty smart move, right? I mean, I didn't really size in the way I wanted to. I was waiting for this exact thing you're seeing here, this comeback. But I was waiting for like $40 maybe on Twitter. Never saw that. Vince, what's going on? Good morning. And what is TLT based on? It tracks the 20 and 30 year. Yeah, correct. 20 to 30. I'm not sure if it's, I think it's 20 year. 20 year, yeah. Yeah, 20-year bond. Tracks the bonds. This TLT rallied last February. I mean, February 20, yeah, when we had that crash here. It shot up from 135 all the way to 179. Or I could just go with SPY puts, but it's a little risky. Um, mm, mm, mm. Interesting. On Monday, which is yesterday, TLT saw unusual options activity. Option after the option alert, the stock price moved up 138. Sentiment bearish, trade puts. Expiration date 9/17. Strike price 130. July, right? Last year? Hmm. Not 2 years. 2 years ago. 2019. 20-year bond, T-bill, or treasury note. Bonds, I believe. Bonds. Because I know there's T-bill, T-bond, T-note. There's a couple of them. Uh, Madrid, good morning. Good morning from Hollywood. Hollywood. A lot of local people. 350 million worth of Moon Pirate. You mean dollars or coins? Steve, what's going on, buddy? Good morning. This is I did not expect this from Nasdaq. Tech, man. Tech does not disappoint. Home prices rise at the fastest pace since 2005 as housing grows more expensive in every part of the country. I don't know if I get a good gut feeling reading that. Thoughts on TWST? I don't know how I feel about biotech stocks, honestly. There's not a lot of volume either way. Anyways, it's not no play here for me. What's going on, C3D? I'm gonna watch crypto and stocks today. I don't really have a lot. Apart from some small Twitter GameStop positions, I don't there's nothing too crazy on my part. And we took an L on Tesla on Friday, and look at Tesla yesterday. This is just ridiculous. I played it safe. I already made back my L. Not with stocks, but with other things, other hustles. So we're back to break even. 5 minutes. Let's actually go on Twitter. Let's see what's cracking on Twitter. What's trending? Number one thing trending is Mark Ruffalo. Exposed Facebook is trending. What? Stocks up. Oh wow. Breaking news. Facebook whistleblowers expose leaked internal docs detailing new effort to secretly censor vaccine concerns on a global scale. Holy crap. Why is this not on here? This should be on here. Wow, this is interesting. Expose Facebook.
Vaccine hesitancy on a global scale. It was so concerning, it brought us not one, but two whistleblowers from inside Facebook who are ready to speak out on what this means for free speech and public discourse on their own platform.
I have to do something. When it comes time to standing up for a world I want my children to live in, I don't want to leave them.
Oh wow. Give me 1 second. It's a long video. Hmm. Well, I'm not gonna play all of it. I'll just play that part, but that's interesting. Let's see how Facebook reacts to that. Crazy Ape is trending under crypto. Somebody tweeted when I see Crazy Ape trending and I find out it's not about AMC stock, really. I'm confused too. I mean, you'd think it's AMC, right? And then it's trending under crypto. I'm a little confused on that too. The Wild West is trending. Texas is set to remove one of its last major gun restrictions after lawmakers approved the bill allowing people to carry handguns without a license. Facebook sucks. I knew it. Oh, that was not me. That's just them protecting the whistleblowers' information. I mean, even when they do the interview, it's all black. You can't really see. They're like a silhouette. Why Beyond Me could see a big boost in sales beyond the pandemic. I remember this stock was crazy, man. This was one of the most hyped up stocks IPO time. 2019. I remember this. This was nuts. Look at it now. It's kind of flip-flopping on 118. Nothing too crazy for Beyond Meat. We got 1 minute, baby. Let's go. Let's see what Dave Portnoy's talking about.
It is.
He has his black coffee. What a champ.
Blade has been a winner. Blade has been a loser and a rebuy winner since I've been talking about it. Change initials up 26%. Not bad. Get away.
That's funny. How is his safe one doing? Because I know yesterday it took was it yesterday or a couple days ago? We took a massive beating. Let's see. We got 1 minute to the bell. Here we go. Safe. Safe Moon's actually up 2%. After that scam over the weekend, the 32 million they ran away with, I don't know how I feel about a lot of these altcoins, all of these meme coins. Feel a little sketched out. Bruh, so you telling me every trade I put in through options that it'll places through the OTC? Probably. I'm not surprised, honestly. 5 seconds. Here we go. The bell goes off in 1 second. Welcome to another day in the stock market. The casino is now open, as they call it. Let's go. Let's have a good day today. Even though I'm not in anything heavy where I could print some good tendies, apart from like some small Twitter position which magically played off. Let's see. I want other people to win. Let's see. Crypto, 37, or in the worst case scenario, stonks dip, and it creates a good buy opportunity. Let's see it. Where the hell's Joff at? Can you guys see me? Am I live? Imagine I was talking to myself the whole time. I'm right here. AMC's ripping. I have a feeling AMC's like gonna have a crazy closing towards the end of the week. What it really needs to do is 14. That resistance is there, and after that, it's 1450. The Doge is moving up with the rest of the markets. It's usually Bitcoin, the main driver. Let's see, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin had a really good spike 3 minutes ago. Bitcoin went from 37.3 to 37.8 in a couple minutes. I don't know if I should take. I don't know if I'm really talking to myself. Yeah, the big hair. I need a haircut. My hair grows too fast. I mean, I think that's a good problem, right? Ethereum spiking, yeah, absolutely. Here it goes. Nasdaq, another day in the green. I cannot believe it. Inflation's just thrown out the window right now. A couple weeks ago, inflation was headlines. I was actually kind of worried about it. I was like, yeah, stocks are gonna take a hit. And as of now, it's just like, oh, nope, no more. But wait till June. I think June's where things can get really shaky. As of now, stocks are only going up, and I would not be surprised if by the end of the week, with the miracle, Nasdaq hits a new high. I wouldn't be surprised, man. What's $32 million between I don't even know who was involved in that. Nasdaq, you're scaring me. I'm pretty sure Tesla's rallying and I'm gonna get mad. Not yet. Apple, damn. I would have been up some good money right now too on Tesla. Uh, you're not 420. 420.69 on SPY. You cannot make this up. 420.69. This is nuts. Come on, Bitcoin. Led by tech. Let's go, tech. Lead the way. How's the Dow? New high. SPY, new high. Come on, AMC. Everything's roaring right now. How's GameStop? GameStop is a slow creeper. Let's go back on it right now. Let's go back to AMC really quick. Ron Sweepy dropping in on a break to show Ralph some love. What's going on? Welcome, welcome. All love here. You have hair like Bruno Mars. I don't know if that's a compliment. All right, Bitcoin back down 37.6. Here comes AMC. Next week's going to be pretty crazy too. The third, baby. Oh, the proxy. Oh, June 3rd, man. Is AMC going to hit 15 before June 3rd? There's a high chance it is. I think it will. But $14 is where that resistance is at. The volume has been slightly coming down, but it's been holding. It's been having green days, which at the end of the day is what really matters. I think we need a Robert pump. Yeah, let's have Rob on right now. But we could go for an hour right now. Let's chat it up. Let's see if let's call him up really quick. Since we don't do power hour streams, we have to have him up in the morning. Here comes 14, baby. Oh, yes. Come on, AMC. GameStop. Slow one. Tesla's pulling back. I like that, actually. I mean, it gives me a chance to enter. NASDAQ, look at that volatility on the way back down. Is it going to hold 600? This was one of my biggest concerns. Every time we were above 600 on Tesla, it did not hold. Yesterday, by the way, Lordstown said they needed more money. They sat into resistance. I think this is just technicals, right? Yeah, technicals. But they actually are running into some resistance. They're going to need some money. Right. Oh, this was also pumped up by Wall Street Bets. And I said, be careful. At 11, I said, careful, careful. NASDAQ is dumping. What? What a crazy reversal. This was literally a bull trap. We saw this last week and it immediately rebounded. So let's see AMC go up. GameStop's moving. Oh, let me put the link in the Discord because they're asking if I'm live. Oh, Robert can't today. He said not today, guys. I am only here for a bit. I appreciate that. AMC going at it. Yeah, AMC's pushing 413. Have a good one, Rob. Be safe. Be safe. 37.6 Bitcoin. Is it going to hold here? AMC still shooting. I think we see 1450 today, guys. Here comes the test again. Here comes NASDAQ with the fake out one more time. Is it going to bounce here? Oops, what did I do? 1420. GameStop seeing resistance, 184. Tesla pulling back, 605. I think Tesla's probably going to hold 600. Let's see. GameStop 190s today. If AMC sees 1450, I believe that could translate to more power on GameStop. 100%. Let's see, Twitter, any updates? Breaking news. Oh, stocks on Wall Street open higher as tech shares lead gains. Today marks 1 year since George Floyd was murdered by a police officer in Minneapolis. 1 year ago today, huh? Rest in peace. The Russian Tesla hacker. Damn, someone tried to hack Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada. Interesting. No, I don't think AMC is dead. We've seen this pattern before already. It has a high, pulls back. It could possibly hold 14 throughout midday, in which AMC does a pretty good job on days like today at holding these whole numbers, and then it starts to rally into the close. Very, 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 very strong. Let's see. I could sense a new high here. Nasdaq on its way back down. Ooh, that's a pretty steep drop on Apple. Yeah, the volatility's here. Volatility's here today. Let's see if my alerts go off. Come on, AMC. I have a feeling. Oh, Neo's going up. Interesting. Not following Tesla today or what? 1410. Bitcoin's still at 37.6. It's still holding there. It's not coming down. $184. 1412. Tesla 609. It's holding 600. I mean, Neil's leading the way with the new high. Xpeng 30 Bride. How's Ford today? 1335. Good old Nikola. Anybody here by any chance have Nikola? Oh man. AMC new high. There we go. I'm telling you, 1450s. Let's see if we hold there. 1450s. Here we go. What's going on, Yap? Hope you're well. Likewise. Never felt better. Alpha Talk and Tweet. Ark Invest Management LLC. What is this? Our morning meeting starts at 8:45 and we're usually on until 10:30. It's a free flow of ideas. Fridays our analysts come in. They've selected the most proactive ideas they've heard all week or the biggest breakthroughs that they've had in their own research. They'll throw out an idea for discussion. Many people join our brainstorm who aren't part of ARC. Our analysts usually meet them on Twitter. Twitter's amazing, by the way. Follow a lot of these people who give amazing insights and perspectives. It's a win-win. We push our research out on any social network that will help analysts engage with people who are innovating. These people can spot our errors and assumptions, and they have so much gratitude for what we're doing to highlight their innovation. There's a natural dialogue. That's via ARC. Looks like a memo to me. 110 green today. Roku, they're doing well. T-Doc. Green. Zoom. Kind of red. I think yesterday some of their positions. Let's see if they Peloton. No, they don't have Peloton. They have what's that ticker? Palantir. 21. Does anybody keep up with Palantir? Because I believe there was an insider who sold Palantir, and there was all this drama over it. Oh, there we go. 1450. Airlines are bouncing today too. Boeing. Yeah, airlines are taking a pretty good pop here at market open. What's oil at, by the way? Anybody have the barrel price? Tesla's popping. 612. So on something like right now, it's not necessarily following NASDAQ. It's kind of on its own. Let's see if it catches up. You're kind of seeing weakness here on NASDAQ slightly. We're still green though. Let's go back to AMC. Here comes GameStop, by the way. Ooh, do we see 190, 200? 1460s. If this breaks $15, I know it broke $15 after hours that one day. But if this can break 15, I would say, you're looking at $17 in the next level. 17 bucks. Palantir's dead. Palantir got a new contract with the U.S. military yesterday. That's right. I forgot we read that. But I was talking more of the insider news, the insider selling. 63. I consider this a dub already. We were here last Monday, right? Yeah. If it can hold 14, anything above 1420 on AMC today, it's a big dub. Big dubs. So Gary Black tweeted this yesterday. Yes, I spoke with my Tesla salesperson in Chicago. Tesla got flooded with inquiries following Ford's F-150 EV event last week. Orders for all models are through the roof. Last week's 500 price hike on the M3 and Model Y are to adjust the supply and demand imbalances into the quarter. And yeah, by the way, they did have a price hike again. They raised the prices. And what he just said is exactly what I talked about like a month ago on Tesla. It's like simple like human psychology. When you're making a decision, right, to buy an EV, you're gonna do some research. You're not just gonna impulse buy the Ford F-150. You're gonna look around, see the competitors, and that's exactly why they're seeing a ton of orders on the Cybertruck. And not even just that on the Cybertruck, on any other EV. Maybe you don't even want a pickup truck. Maybe you don't. Maybe you want a Model 3 or Model Y. You also, some of the EVs correct. You also have what? Biden's tax incentive. What is it? 7.5 to 10K. Neil hit 37. Oh, 37. Tesla must be rallying too. 614. Usually they go hand in hand. Let's go with another domestic player in China. 3044 Xpeng. I impulse pre-ordered this Cybertruck. I mean, it was only a $100 deposit. And production should be coming out Q4. June 18th strike for what? Palantir with 2 contracts, 22 calls. June 18. Yeah, I was looking at June 18 puts, not for Palantir, but for SPY. I was looking around for Apple. I was looking around. I never look into options really, apart from open interest on like GameStop or AMC. But very interesting. Funny enough, 1420, the level I think we need to hold today for AMC is the EMA as of now. So let's see what happens. Let's see where the market takes us today. Are we going to see a red day? Are we going to go from green to red on NASDAQ? I mean, we still have a long time. The market just opened 15 minutes ago. Fubo just broke 22. Fubo. 20. I remember this stock was what, 60 bucks? Yeah, 62. So we had this nasty downtrend from February all the way back down to like 14 during earnings. And now we're stabilizing. So this might not be a bad rebound play. I think with the whole soccer, they're going to be. They had a couple contracts, no? Or they landed a couple deals. I think we watched their earnings call, by the way. We were on the earnings call when Fubo, I think it was Lemonade that was also having earnings. Or Roblox. Yeah, right here. Look, Roblox, Fubo, Lemonade, Wish, Xpeng. But it's over the summer. So maybe June, July, you're looking at 30 bucks. I'm not too sure. I got a 19. I'm going to dump it here soon. I need to look more into the fundamentals. I don't really track Fubo too much. Apart from their last earnings, I don't really take up like a look at. I don't keep up with it too much. GameStop 191. Oh gosh, I'm missing out on this rally. Let's see. Oh. Is this? Wait a minute. 98 is the next level. Come on. What's the volume like? Bitcoin is 37.7. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. Yahoo. Let's see. It's the volume. 663K. AMC. What are we showing on volume? By the way, trending tickers on Yahoo Finance are Ride, Lordstown, which is completely dumping, Neo, DKNG, DraftKings, AMC, and MGM. Let's take a look at AMC. What's the volume? I'm gonna take a guess. The volume on AMC's 2.6 mil. Oh my god, I'm so wrong. 20 mil, 20.4. I was way off. I think today's gonna be another heavy day volume for AMC. That's amazing. I think today maybe 15, 16 bucks. I don't know. UAL, yeah, airlines are up today. Let's see. Oil prices per barrel. What are we like 63, 64? Let's see. Give me the prices. 66. Hmm. Come on, AMC, don't dump on me like this. Hmm. It's testing support. GameStop back down. Tesla kind of dangling here at 609. Like I said, let's wait and see if we actually see a come down here on futures. Oh yeah, chicken, don't you have puts or something? Or you're actually shorting, right? Amazon's ad revenue is now twice as big as Snapchat, Twitter, Roku, and Pinterest combined. Amazon's ad unit is growing 1.7 times quickly as other digital ad rivals, according to analysts at Loop Capital. What a juggernaut. Yesterday, Airbnb announced 100 plus new features, including more search flexibility for guests, a simplified listing process for hosts, AI systems that will recommend names, descriptions, and the best photos to use for hosts. Their cleaning fees are still high as fuck, though. Let's see the stock. A pre-market giving up some of the gains. I mean, I've Airbnb. I'm not a big fan. Morgan Stanley cuts price target on Airbnb to 125 from 160. Ouch. Oh, that's a pretty bad drop. I know this one's a recent IPO, 219 to 137. Another one I'm not a big fan is DoorDash. Dash, the fees that were each alive. Here comes the bounce again. GameStop, that's not GameStop. 187, Tesla 609. Kind of boring on Tesla today. In the days I want to trade it, it's boring. Bitcoin, what are you doing? 37.6. What a pretty decent reversal we have here. I like it. I like it. What's up, Ralph? I had to search up your channel. Your vids aren't coming up. I'm not surprised there. YouTube hates us. That's been going on for months, man. YouTube has been hiding us. If you guys are enjoying this, I'd appreciate if you smash the like button. I think that might help, right? Smashing the like button. Let's go to CoinDesk. See if there's anything big on there. Got in on Tesla the other day as well. What's going on, Daniel? Did you hold though? Because I sold on Friday. That would have been a pretty good day for Tesla. Yeah, at 614, I would have. How much was it? This is toxic, by the way. Like calculating how much you missed out. So we had sold 594. Yeah, right. $1,100 if we would have held. I mean, but a lot of this would have been just break even. So we would have barely been up, I believe. Nothing too crazy. I made back that money regardless, anyways. Not with stocks though. I gently tap the like button. Break it, baby. Break it. Look, Nasdaq is breaking down. You're gonna see a reversal here on some tech stocks. Ooh, Facebook. I mean, Apple 127, Facebook 326. By the way, ban Facebook is trending, or expose Facebook. YouTube never lets me know. Oh wait. YouTube lets me know all the time when you're live or post a video. Interesting. Oh wow, Lord is trending. Does it really have that much press? Wait, the stock, right? No, this is an artist. Lord. Oh, I've heard of this artist. Never mind. I thought it was a stock. I was like, there's no way Lordstown is it's trending like this. There's no way a stock like that has that much. John Cena is trending. Professional wrestler and actor John Cena apologized to China in Mandarin on Cena Weibo for calling Taiwan a country during an interview promoting Fast and Furious 9. John Cena. No, Lord Lorde. So I thought this. I thought the stock. Right. I thought it was the stock for a quick second. Here comes AMC. Oh, Tesla flushing. .70 from your price target. Dang. Let's see. PLTR. 2193, right? Palantir, Roblox. Let's take a look at Roblox. It's 86. What was that? IPO? Odie, right? I forgot the ticker. I never really peeped at it. $37.6 for Bitcoin still. We're not moving too much from there. GameStop pulling back as NASDAQ flushes. Do we go red today? Let's see. Let's wait and see. Come on, AMC, hold. 606 on Tesla. Let's see that double bottom breakdown at 605. Clubhouse has 1 million more on waitlist after Android launch. Clubhouse. I thought Twitter Spaces took out Clubhouse.
Mark Haynes did not like to make calls, but he felt that day, I think it's time to buy.
I've been waiting for this.
We're at the bottom.
It was monumental. And if I ever wanted a piece of something, an actual piece of lore, of memorabilia, of CNBC, and I could own it, it would be that moment.
Kramer. If Bitcoin hits and holds 38, alts are gonna fly. Yeah, it's right under resistance is around 38. It got rejected at 37,945. So not too far off. Let's see. Alrighty, futures are pulling up. GameStop 186, AMC holding 1420 like we talked about. I think 1420 is going to be a pretty good support level. Let's see. I'm a little scared, Daniel, to hop in like on Safe Moon Shiba after what happened with the scam over the weekend. All right, Bitcoin's coming down 37.5. Let's wait to see where it holds support at. $20. Let's wait let's wait and see if this unfolds. Here comes Tesla cracking down. So I'm looking for a what? 600 test? Let's see. Oh wait, futures pushing. I don't think it'll crack. Futures are they're looking for a bounce here. Took some tendies from AMC, trading into some broad base shopping in crypto, so probably gonna crash harder. You bought Shiba? Oh no, Jake, I was responding to Daniel's question because he said nonsense coins, so I'm assuming he meant a lot of the memes. But for alts, yeah, I agree with you. Hedges have 250K available shares to borrow remaining, 90K and 160K from ETFs. How's the Ortex data? I haven't really pulled it up. Do you see a pullback with Neo? Honestly, usually it follows Tesla to the T, and it's not right now, which is pretty interesting. But if there's going to be a pullback that I think that's going to be pretty noticeable or major, I guess you can say, in stocks, it's going to be mid-June, man. Mid-June, June 13. I'll give you the week for a second. The third week of June. Mid-June is, I think, where things are going to get, the inflation fears are going to come back, CPI, the Fed meeting. I think they're going to be hinting at possible tapering or raising interest rates by the early of 2022. That's my guess. And as Ray Dalio said yesterday, as we talked about, it's very interest rate sensitive. Tesla's pulling back. We dropped on Janet Yellen hinting and telling the Fed that if they don't raise interest rates, we're going to blow up and overheat. And the market tanked. You guys remember that day? And later that same day, or I think it was the day after or the same day, Yellen corrects herself and says, I never said that. And we got faked out and stocks went back up. That's exactly what he means by that. But that fear kind of, we pushed it off to the side yesterday. Crazy day yesterday in stocks. I think right now we're seeing a slight minor pullback. We're still holding near the high. We're still green. We still have a long trading day ahead of us. So let's see where this takes us today. Let's set an alert again. Oh wow, everything's falling down right now. Oh, another fake out? 100 million Shiba. Tesla tapping 200 SMA on the 5. 200 EMA, I'm sorry about that. 200 EMA. Yeah, I have the EMA here as SMA actually. SMA is the yellow line, EMA is the blue line. 600. Oh yeah, Clinton, I did not have sexual relationships with that woman. All right, 14.14. If this does, I mean, we're kind of trading around $14. We're gonna be bouncing in between 14.20 and $14. As long as it closes green, I think it's a dub. I don't think we'll go red on AMC today. GameStop 185. Nice test at 191. Let's revisit that today. Neo 37, huh? There are some big algos playing with AMC and it's been near perfect pivot points for the last 2 weeks. Easy money. I agree. Citadel, all these guys, they're making so much money on AMC. At the end of the day, you think they're losing, right? Like, oh, they lost $1 billion. Trust me, these guys are making a killing on options on AMC and GameStop. They're not gonna lose. They're not losing. I think they're out. I think they're winning. I mean, just pull up the TNS and the level 2. All these orders you see here coming in at these crazy decimals like 14.1384 are OTC and dark pool. Bitcoin's cracking 37.4. It's going to come test 37.2. It's kind of holding there. Here comes NASDAQ with another nasty leg down. Oh, crap. Stop giving up the gains. Tesla's red. They want you to think they're losing. Absolutely, it's all mind games. Every time I go on Twitter, I see people talking about, oh, Citadel's on the ropes. Trust me, they're not. They're not losing, guys. It's all mind games. You know what the Art of War says? Appear strong when you're weak, and appear weak when you're strong. I do not think they're losing at all. I think they're making a killing on. They love this. It's a freaking game to them. Life is a dead cat. Oh man. Yeah, if you have never read the book, The Art of War, it's a great book. 100% recommend it. When you're trying to read books or read great books, you want to go for books that have withstood the test of time. The Art of War is one of them for sure. Citadel are too big to fail. I would agree. It's like I'm having a brain fart. It's like AIG, right? Back in 2008. They were too big to fail until they actually failed. They got bailed out by the government, man. It's a good book. Yeah, 100% recommend it. Exactly, Rough. It's a game to This is a game to them. And I don't think they're gonna lose, man. As sad as that sounds, as like bad as I might come off saying that, like that's the truth, man. I know the truth hurts, but the truth is better than a lie. I'd rather someone tell me the truth than to tell me a lie to comfort me. That's a fake friend right there. Those are fake people right there. You always want and respect someone who tells you the truth. The house always wins. We can just hope to make money off their game. Exactly. You think AMC will peak before Friday? That's a hard question. The next date for AMC for me is June 3rd. That's what I'm keeping in mind to see how the proxy comes out. Does dilution revisit? In which I think there's like an 80% chance, 90% chance that dilution does revisit. All that matters to me is AMC is the same old ownership, flow, openings, potential takeover, acquisition. Now they have flipped to the offensive. I agree. And there's never been a lot of people behind a stock like there is on AMC and GameStop. Let's see, I think I missed a question here. No, I didn't. Biden will meet with Russian leader Putin on June 16. Interesting. June 16, huh? That's exactly the Fed meeting as well. That week is going to be insane. Insanely volatile. Bitcoin 37.6 still. Oh, I already read this. This is old news. Wanda, we already know that. Agency volume 30 million, not bad. Let's take a look at the good old Doge. Good old Dogecoin. What are we at? Let's see. Uh, 34. Cardano's green 150. Ethereum 2540. Let's take a good macro view at the 4. So I don't think we'll trade sideways on Bitcoin. If it does, it's gonna have resistance at 40K, 42, and support right around 31. But my guess is this Bitcoin is gonna rip aggressively either way, either back up to 45 or under 30 by Sunday. That's where my thinking is going right there. What side is that? Binance. What's what's going on, Victor? I know what he's gonna say. He's gonna say Matic. Here comes the comeback. 605. We're not seeing sub 6. It's Binance, Steve. If they can get Bitcoin using energy to power the mining, I mean, Elon met with Mara Riot. What was it called? I forgot who else he met with. I forgot the name, but he tweeted about it, and crypto just shot up. The influence and power he has is insane. North American Bitcoin miners. And then he linked the Dogecoin Reddit. He said someone suggested changing Dogecoin fees based on phrases of the moon, which is pretty awesome. Haha. A man of culture. You gotta love Elon. 37.6. And I have a feeling, you know how people were saying he was gonna manipulate Bitcoin, have it drop and rebuy. I have a feeling that's exactly what is happening right now. I have a feeling Elon bought the dip on Bitcoin. 14, 24, 25. Let's hold the 20s. Not a penny is trending for AMC, right? For the Greenfield price target. Hashtag not a penny. Interesting. It's funny how all the crypto boys, the crypto people, calling Elon a scum when when he brought Bitcoin back down, and now they're all over him again. It's like, come on, man. You either love him or you hate him. Fubo, no. No, 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 no. Stacks a lot. I mean, Dark Trader. What is this? Gold. Oh, gold shooting. Interesting. Anybody here have or trade gold? Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Ethereum. Here comes AMC again with the comeback. I had a gold ETF. Oh, a JNUG? Good old JNUG and JDAS. I remember JDST. I remember trading these a lot when I first started trading, but the volume is dead. I also remember the gas ETFs that got delisted. UGAS and DGAS. God, they're not there anymore. I'm having a hard time getting on Binance for some reason. Frustrated. I never got approved, William. 3 months and the key one I never got approved. I have an account on here, but it's not like good to trade. It's not okay to trade on there. It's just having an account to chart coins. That's it. The space exploration. Take a look at ARC space exploration ETFs. I've always just been fascinated by that, by the way. Just like with space, and the galaxies, and the universe. Let's see. Oh, Unusual Whales just tweeted uh, unusual options interest for puts. June 11, 525 puts on Tesla. They're picking up some steam. What date was that again? June 20, June 11. Interesting. Here comes AMC again, 33. Let's go for that 50s again. Gonna move to Mars and get paid on Elon bucks. JNUC JDSC swings all. I remember those days, man. Oh, good times. All right, let's see a descending triangle here on Tesla 600. Let's see if it cracks 600. That's just a patience game, honestly. Patience, patience. I overslept and missed the opening spike on GameStop. Good morning, Garden Gnome. I'm waiting for this crack here on Tesla. Let's see if we see it. AMC is slowly creeping. GameStop back kind of flat, 185. Tesla, I'm waiting for sub 6, baby. Kramer said this. Dump Neiman by Tesla. I don't like this because usually it's do the opposite of what Kramer says. Hmm. Did you see Tesla in Norway? Norway sued them for the charging rate, and Tesla just never showed up to defend themselves. I don't think so. I heard about a lawsuit, but I don't believe it was Norway. Let me check Tesla Roddy. I mean, there are also rumors on a Russian gigafactory or UK as well. Damn it, Tesla. Let's go back to AMC really quick. I don't see anything here. Tesla Norway. Tesla faces a huge fine in Norway for throttling battery charging speeds. It's a fine. Tesla fines 16K per owner. I did see this actually. I never looked into it. Tesla fines 16K per owner for throttling battery capacity charging speeds. You think it's Rivian? Tesla has trouble in brewing with Ford. Rivian's product appears superior. I don't know. I mean, I'm really thinking about Warren Buffett said at Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting like a month ago. He was talking about all the car companies in the early 1900s and how a lot of them are not alive today. They're gone, bankrupt, extinct. I think it's the same thing going on right now with EVs. You might have a couple of them that actually survive, but the majority of other ones are gone, you know? If you're thinking long term, time to sell. Interesting. Teslas out here are like Honda, man. They're like Honda Civics. There's a ton of them. You see them everywhere. It really gives you a lot of confidence. Every time I see a Tesla out here, it gives me a lot of confidence. Hmm. All right, creeping back to 50s. Let's see it. SPCE, Virgin Galactic, was actually pulling back yesterday, 23, 25. I think it's the same price as it was Friday. No, wrong. It's actually holding up pretty well. They had this successful flight. I'm waiting for Tesla to crack 6. I think it could crack 6. Let's wait and see. Maybe I thought you had a tradable account on Binance, right? I don't. I have an account with them. Like I could pull up the charting software. I just can't trade. I'm not approved for that yet. Bitcoin is back at 37.8. Chandra made some decent money on it. Did you hold from Friday? That's my question, because I think that might have been a little risky. What's going on, Jonathan? Anyone else see the Bitcoin ATM machine at the gas station? I seen it. I seen it the other day. I've seen even Doge, man. I saw you smirk. The SPCE, Virgin Galactic. You gotta love Richard Branson, man. You gotta love him. I know. Garden. There's like 3 different regions, right? I know. I went on the U.S. by the way, Binance Point US, whatever. I applied on the right one. I made sure. 1450. Did we really hit 1450 in AMC? Ooh, we're back, baby. GameStop should be moving. Oh yes. Tesla, come down to me, baby. Come down to me. Apple. Branson like Elon. Yeah, you gotta love Branson, man. If you read his book, I believe his book is called like Virgin something, right? Virgin, I think. Uh, it's a good book. How he was stuck on the island and how he sold plane tickets. Richard Branson, Virgin book. What's it called? Losing My Virginity. Yes, there we go. Good book. He was also deemed dyslexic, and they told him he was gonna be successful. That's why you just gotta say F everybody, man. Do you do you? Don't let anything stop you. Just go do it, man. Whatever you want to do in life, just go about it. Don't live by these definitions or what people think you are. Binance has a special point US website. I did apply there. Maybe I don't exist to the government. Bitcoin number 38. Mine is showing 37.9. You're right, actually. Oh, 37,989. It's back to test at 37.9. Let's go above 38. Funny, this pop here. I would say Tesla should kind of move up, but I'm kind of tied with futures. 50 resistance still. I'm gonna get more coffee and water. Let's see. Is it gonna hold 50? Watch the walls. I'll be back. Came in for Rob's advice. Life advice. I'm 23 years old, man. I don't think I qualify to give life advice, you know? Goldman Sachs and Citibank say Bitcoin is headed to 100,000. Whoa, 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 whoa. And 300K by the end of the year? By the end of the year? 92% of hedge funds have exposure to Bitcoin, and 21% say it will hit 100 to 150K this year. CNBC has aired dozens of analysts predicting a million Bitcoin prices. Interesting. I have written a detailed article on why I think Bitcoin will be hitting 7,000 by 2022. He talks about asking for a friend for a loan for old planes and getting clapped, new planes good to go. Exactly. Banks and hedge funds will pump crypto, keeping big banks out of crypto. Once they got in, man, it's been very different. Oh, we took a look at Bitcoin's S1 filing. The S1 is usually obviously the IPO filing with the S1. And if you go to page 98, I believe, 198 or 98, it shows the volume and the volatility on there. 2008, 2017, we were looking at 80% retail. Go to first quarter of 2020, it flips disgustingly. It's all institutionals. People under 24 are literally children. Really? Am I considered a children? Here comes AMC. AMC just hit 69 new high. 73, here comes 15 bucks. GameStop 188. Oh, Tesla should be moving up. I don't think we'll see 6. Coinbase, man. I'm talking about crypto, not the Coinbase stock, but it is on the S1 filing for Coinbase. 89, here's 15. Oh, this coffee. Something about the Starbucks coffee they put in it. Oh man. Oh, 190. Come on, baby. I need to see the 15 battle right here. My phone's gonna die, damn it. The 15 battle on AMC. Let's see what the walls are looking like on 15. Did we blow past that? Oh, the volume is back. The prefrontal cortex isn't fully developed until 24. Right, right. So I believe 24. What did I read? I believe it's different between males and females. I think for females it's later on, right? In the later 20s. And then for men, I think it's 20. I think you're right, 24. $192. 92. Go. Huge consolidation happening on the 1450s. Yeah, it's gonna slow down there a bit. I don't know if it's gonna. I mean, at 15, I don't know if it's gonna just blow past that. I can't see the walls here just yet. On the ask at 15, I mean, we're not really penny close to there. I mean, 8 cents. I'd rather see 98, 99 on there. Then the walls would appear. All right, this can pull back and it can hold 1450, and that's lovely. Just like it pulled back to 1420 around 14 and it bounced from there. Let it hold 1450s. The wall at 15 is 27K. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's wait. Let's wait. $192. God, I love this. Morning, John. No worries. No worries. Yeah, Garden the 190s. It's lovely to taste. We're back here. The largest U.S. pension fund by assets sold nearly all its investments in Alibaba. Cut stake in GameStop recent first quarter while increasing Zoom. All right, there's the pullback on AMC. Tesla's looking pretty strong here at 605. Bitcoin 37.8. Bitcoin got rejected, guys, at 38K. It went above 38. 38.1, and now it's pulling back. $69. Where are you at? All right. When the banks are recommending an investment, always run the other way. He has a point. I mean, look at when Bitcoin was at 60K, everyone was saying buy. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, he wants me to pay $10 to read this newsletter on why Bitcoin will be under 7,000 next year. You can become a member of my newsletter for only $10 and read it today. Should we pay $10 for this guy? $10 a month. I usually always love seeing other sides of the trade. Like if I'm in Tesla, I want somebody to say why Tesla's going to $0. I want to hear all the bear case. I want every information and piece of data out there. Full conversation with Gary being the first investor in Coinbase, Ethereum, the 10K, and Bitcoin's eternal advantage. My bull thesis on Ethereum. Let me hear the bear case. Not pay it. You think it's BS? It's via Crypto Whale on Twitter, and the only reason this guy blew up is because Elon actually replied to him when he said indeed, when people were hinting or assuming he sold his Bitcoin Tesla position. He gained like 80,000 followers on Twitter after that. That's the power of Elon. So that's the only reason I'm following him, and now he wants to sell this idea. I mean, this guy has been right though. He's been very balanced. Balanced perspective. Go follow him. It's Crypto Whale on Twitter. Literally, his description says, crypto analyst trading crypto since 2013. Follow for an unbiased and contrarian perspective on stock crypto markets. Futures are nicely recovering here. AMC holding the 1450s. Lovely, lovely. Let's see 15. Oh, GameStop is setting up for that next pop here. 37.8 on Bitcoin as well. Pretty decent morning, I would say. Pretty good morning. 191, here it comes. Let's see which one breaks first. GameStop or AMC or Tesla. 606 resistance here. Hitman 3 from GameStop coming in today. Nice, nice. Gonna go Mercs. And VR later today. I'm still waiting for that GTA, what is it, 6 or 5, right? GTA 6, I believe. Man, GTA 5 came out when I was a sophomore in high school. I remember. It came out my sophomore year. People were going crazy over it. My classmates were bringing, you know how it comes with a big map of the GTA, of the area, basically LA. People were bringing it to school to flex on other students. Sophomore year. That was 2014. Man. 7 years later and they haven't made the game. Ah. Come on, AMC. Oh, there's no way. GameStop did it first, 194. Oh, 200 today. If this hits 200, man. We're talking March levels. Bitcoin coming down. Futures just cracked. Ooh. We should see Tesla crack right now. Come on. Apple should be dropping too. Notice all the patterns look similar. Facebook's. Look at Apple's. Microsoft, Tesla. Same thing. Give me 6, baby. Elder Scroll 6. What is that? I'm not too familiar. Elder Scroll 6. That looks like Assassin's Creed. March Madness. Oh. March last year was that's the real March Madness last year. Mid-March, March 15. I will not forget that. That was nuts. 13.6. Come on, Foots. Come on, Foots. Drop for me. Neo getting weighed down by Tesla. Palantir's pushing. Oh, you're right there. Williams about to hit the jackpot. 22. Here we go. Let's set an alert. Let's see. Is Palantir gonna break 22? What's gonna come first? Tesla cracking 602 or Palantir 22? Let's see. GameStop, AMC both pulling back slightly off the highs. Bitcoin 37.8, still kind of dangling around there. Oh, talking about earnings. What has earnings this week? Best Buy, right? BBY, I think, has Best Buy. Has earnings this week. It's not going to show me because I need to scroll to the right. All right, let's go back to Tesla really quick because I believe we cracked. Yep. It cracked. It cracked. $37.9, 601. Here comes 6. Let's see the bid there. Are the bulls going to hold it up? How are we on the 5? We're probably going to look at sub 6, maybe 598. Mid 590s. Let's wait. I remember when video games would come out, some of my classmates would not go to school just because they stay up all night trying to beat the game. Like 24 hours, just busting all-nighter, trying to beat the game. Crazy, crazy. I don't know how they did that. I've never been a fan of video games. I don't know what it is. I was that classmate. AMC Strong is trending on Twitter. There we go. John Cena, we talked about him. He's still on there. Oh, AMC hit a new high. I was at 15. Damn, I missed it. Something to play on the house. Video games are life. Interesting. Scientist, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to spot the ask here at 15. Hmm. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 6 on 601. 673. No, we were gonna have Rob on this morning, but he was busy. He had a couple other plans, so he's not on here. No, he's awake, but usually he doesn't look at stocks either. So same here. I set alerts, but I just go about my day. I used to just always have this bad habit of just checking my freaking phone every like 10 minutes to see stocks, and it's bad. So I just set alerts. I don't pick up my phone. I don't look at stocks midday or even when I'm working out. I just go about my day. Later power hour, I'll probably just peek and glance here. Or if an alert gets triggered, I just keep that in mind. I'm like, okay, the stock is here. Just keep it around there, but no more just picking up the phone like that. Because that was bad. Just that's why yesterday, I came after hours. The market was closed, and GameStop was here at 186. When I came back and it was like right on 176. When I took a look after hours, I'm like, wait, what? I was not believing that drop. Here comes the next rally. It's either gonna push 15 here or it's gonna pull back to 1450. Just put a GameStop and AMC and go about your day. Who's gonna watch a chair? No one's gonna watch a chair. I think that's wasting a lot of electricity too. These computers just running up like this. Bitcoin 37.9. Bitcoin is testing 38 aggressively. It's not getting rejected. It's not giving up. The wall went up to 76K, right? Danny, you said it earlier the 27K. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 667, 63, 59. It's gonna crack 600. Is it? Is it? It's showing a little bit more weakness here than compared to Nasdaq. Usually they sync hand in hand. Nasdaq flushes, Tesla follows, but we're kind of angled in here at 6. Palantir actually. Is William still here? Palantir, hit your strike. Look at this guy, White Rice. 70 people watching a paper-handed beat. That's right. You see these hands are made of paper, baby. 11K at 14.99, 74K at 15. So Palantir hit his strike price, William's strike price. 601. So close to 600. Bitcoin still fighting at 38. Oh, no, 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 no. Bitcoin pulled back. 37.7. We're coming back down. This thing is ticking so fast. Binance cannot keep up. Guys, look at this. Look how fast it's ticking at 37.8. That's nutty. It's so hard seeing the stock go up and see your losses. It makes me want to jump in bad, but I know it's a bad idea. Bad FOMO. It's something you just learn to cultivate over time. When I first started trading, oh my gosh, you should have seen my FOMO was nasty, and I get burned like 90% of the time. I lose. It's until you start taking losses until you're like, all right, I'm doing something wrong, like something's not right. That feeling goes away. It still comes. It's still there. Like yesterday, guys, I sold Tesla at 590s and look at his 614. This is tendies right here. My FOMO was like 3% out of 100. It's just not there anymore because I know there's gonna be opportunities tomorrow. I know. Simple as that. It just takes time, man. It takes time. Just wake up every day, watch the markets, don't get FOMO. Like, I sold AMC at 10. I had 700 shares at 10. At this price right here at 15, we're talking 3,500 profit that I missed out on. Does that mean, oh, damn, I'm gonna FOMO twice here at 14? No, no. I made money on AMC. I made a bag on AMC. There's no reason to do that. Tomorrow there'll be opportunities. Next month there's gonna be opportunities. I want to be here next month to be able to trade and not blow up and be like, man, I should have not made that trade. Now I don't have any money. You know? I want to be here a year from now. There's gonna be a lot of people that blew up this year because of the trades that they want to hit home runs. These trades you do not want to approach with the home run mentality. If you're trying to hit bangers out of the park every single trade, you're gonna blow up. Simple. Learn to manage risk. That's it. I started going really long to fight the FOMO. If I'm losing now, screw it. I'll come back to it in 6 months. That too, it takes. I lost 106K in one day in February 2020. I did not come back to trading till December of 2020. I took that long off. Well, I lies. I kind of messed with some Costco options right after I lost that, and I made back like a little bit of the money. But any serious trading, no. So I took some time off. I was still looking at the markets, still peeping here and there, but for hardcore day trading, I came back December, January. I made like 16K trading Tesla, day trading. Nothing but day trading Tesla. December, January. My confidence came back like crazy. Okay, and then February, obviously, that's what happened with AMC and GameStop. I hopped in AMC and it was crazy. It was nuts. I never bought AMC or GameStop thinking that these stocks were going to short squeeze like crazy. It was never my intention to buy AMC thinking this stock is freaking shorted. It's going to go to 20. No. I just bought it because I thought it was going to be a recovery play. That was it. And here we are, streaming now, May. So I took some time off. These losses like that, oh God, they really like mess you up psychologically. It's crazy. I think a lot of character comes with that and discipline. You learn to fight a lot of your emotions. A loss like that, it's like it makes you really go inside of yourself. It just sold my PLTR call options. There we go. Did we break what 2010 probably? 2205 actually. Here comes AMC. I think it's Tesla breakdown. Yeah, Tesla cracked 6. I think here comes the pop above 15. I wonder if should I buy AMD or Nvidia. I lean Nvidia only because of the 5-to-1 split. 4-to-1 or 5-to-1. I know it's getting voted on June 3rd. That's coming about, which is obviously it was a good sign for the stock. The stock actually gapped up, or actually shot up midday. I'll show you. Where is it at? I believe it was one of these spikes here. Yeah, it was this one pre-market at 610. It hit 635 afterwards yesterday. So we're pushing up here on futures. I think AMC broke 15, right? So close. So close. Sold my AMC for some money today. There we go. Take some of those profits. Never be ashamed. $13.7. Futures rebounding. This should actually steam up AMC. Let's see that volume. Let's see that energy. The 194. Let's set another alert here. Just to keep an idea of where we're going. GameStop pushing 194. Yeah. Both GameStop and AMC are testing the highs here. I think it's going to break 15. There's like a 90% chance it'll break 15 here. Bitcoin is still battling, guys. Bitcoin is still battling 38. That's impressive. Like I said, I don't think we'll trade sideways. I think Bitcoin's going to run to 45, 40K, or 42, or come down and test 30 again. It's going to go hard one way or the other. Come on, AMC. I follow you because it's about the money, brand loyalty. It's nothing. No company cares about its consumers. I mean, as a CEO, your shareholders are your number one priority. Making money, running the company successfully as well, but shareholders, it's important, man. 13.6. Amazon. Oh no. GameStop is actually pulling back. AMC's either gonna break 15 or come down to 1450. Let's see it. Come on, hold there. I think we're missing that volume right here at the 15 mark. I don't know if that's the lack of people not wanting to buy near the highs or what. Here it comes again. I want to buy some Matic, but I don't know. What are your thoughts? Why do you want to buy Matic in the first place? That's my question to you. I think we're gonna barcode it for the next hour or two. For GameStop, barcoding obviously is not the best situation for any stock, but GameStop, I think if it barcodes at 190s and it holds 190s into close head into tomorrow, I think that's a massive dub if you ask me. Back in the 190s, close to 200 for GameStop. Woohoo! Tesla should be moving up again. 603, yeah. Futures are pushing up. Very indecisive day here on futures compared to yesterday and Friday. Very interesting, huh? Go back to AMC really quick. How nice for the rest of the day. William said he's eating steak today, man. Congrats on that play. Both AMC and GameStop just because of manipulation. Right, right. That's why I'm kind of curious to see how these walls are stacked. I know we were told here, who told us? Danny told us there was massive walls there at 70K, on 70K, 90K wall at 15. AMC is worth a penny. That's what the one analyst said. Greenfield. At the end of the day, man, people have incentives and usually have to see why they say things like that. You know, that's a pretty nice bid here at 1480, by the way, for AMC. 1480 is going to hold. But when you say AMC is going to penny, you're screaming, hey, I'm shorting the F in stock, you know? That's what that says. So I think it's in his best interest to say some things like that are very to the extreme. Maybe he might have been paid. I don't know. But I think he is taking a short position on AMC based solely, I think, on its fundamentals. And when you do something like that and you get caught up in a squeeze like this, when people are hoping for a squeeze, it's a bad situation to be put in. So I think that's where he's coming from with the one penny. Did you see Coin Sweet yesterday? I did. The one from what's that show? I never really watched shows like that. I know it's from a show. I've seen it before, like the pictures of the characters, but it's a kid in a swimming pool and he just goes up, right? So basically, what I think he's trying to mean by that is the flow, because the kid starts floating from under the pool, starts floating. So maybe he's meaning we own the flow or something like that. When you say AMC's with the penny, you sound exactly like the cultists who say AMC to 20 million. Yeah, it's fairy dust. It doesn't exist. AMC to penny doesn't exist. AMC to 100K is non-existent. AMC is not going to 100K. It's just you're being crazy, you know. It's not gonna hit 100K. It's not gonna hit a penny either. Only concern with AMC is the debt fundamentals, the debt it has. As for people going to theaters, I don't think that'll be an issue. I might be a little bit biased because I love the theaters. I've always loved going to the movies. So the vaccination is also a very important process. Consumer confidence. What's the confidence in you guys on going to the theaters? Are you guys scared? GameStop new high. There's no way. Oh crap! Come on, AMC. 195. Adam Aaron's involvement with the apes on Twitter, I think, is very brilliant. I think he's reading the apes really well now compared to a month. Hope, man, I really wish he would have done this, going on Twitter, understanding where we're coming from, March before I sold. Like, that wasn't there. When I sold, AMC was, I mean, Adam Aaron was gone from Twitter. He wasn't talking to us. He came with dilution. I was like, F you, man. I am not holding through this BS. And now it's different. Now everything he pulled it out. He's engaging. So it took time, but I like the fact that he's doing that. That there's communication there. And it's a rejection at 195. I didn't see that. I missed it. I thought GameStop was pulling back. Like AMC is right here at 1450s. Like I said, it's either gonna break past 15, in which I thought it was, or 1450s, in which if it holds midday, I think there's a very high chance of it retesting 15 end of the day. There's a massive bid here, by the way. Like we talked about earlier, I think a lot of a lot of the manipulation going on is actually my phone's gonna die. It's in favor of these hedgies. Like I said, I think they're having fun trading these stocks. They're making a killing. I think that's why you see massive bid sizes on the downside too, on the support. I don't think it's all the apes buying as well. There's a lot of big players playing on AMC. A lot. They're having a field day today. What is this? This just came out, right? It's June 14, 15 call sweep. Yeah, we talked about the options on 15. Whoa, 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 whoa. Citigroup. Oh, holdings to 370 from $2. Maintains sell rating. This came out what? Like 20 minutes ago, right? Let's take a look. So underperforming price targets ranging from 1 to 16 according to analyst. Yeah, GameStop, the thing is with GameStop, we're running on low volume too. Like I said, I don't really care about the volume as long as we're moving up. That's interesting. If the volume kicks back in on this, it's gonna be insane. Like I'm thinking just back to January levels, February. The volatility on this was insane. Rob is missing out on this. Yeah, it's funny because every time Rob, by the way, if you guys don't know Rob, he's one of the mods here, one of the admins actually. He has 4,000 shares of GameStop, so he's really deep. He's all in on GameStop. When he watches GameStop, it does poo poo. It does nothing. But every time he walks away, I notice this too. He tells me, and he doesn't watch GameStop, it rallies, and he's like, "Man, I missed the rally." I'm staying away from Tesla today. Not sure where it's going. Yeah, after the ridiculous rally on Tesla yesterday, I mean, it's holding 6. That's always a great sign. It's holding 6. We stopped bleeding at 539. I'd usually go more for a day trade if I see an opportunity, in which I don't see now, apart from under 600, headed into June. I don't feel comfortable holding anything too long. I held this stock for 2 weeks, man. The day I sell or the following day it rallies. Oh, I gave this stock way too long. We have the Elon tweets and all of that. It's crazy. God from the south. 66. We're holding 60. That's a good sign. Let's go. Alrighty, so see how our Twitter's doing. Twitter's holding in there. Should we just take these profits and just buy Arby's? Nasdaq pushing. Might as well just hold it. Nasdaq's pushing. This would have been such a great play if we actually sized in bigger at the initial opening of the play, but we never did. I thought it was gonna come down to like $43. Never did that. That institution that bought, I think it was Elliott. They bought 200 mil worth of Twitter. They must be printing right now. Elliott, it's not on here anymore. 200 mil. Kathy Woods buys another 42 mil Twitter stock, also adding DKNG and Netflix. How's Netflix today? Not bad. Still holding 500. There we go. Oh, here comes GameStop again. Wait, Tesla, take a quick peek. GameStop's coming. I'm gonna set my alert on here. Let's set one on AMC as well. I set one just in case it pulls back 186. I just like getting an idea of the range of where it's trading at. So for Tesla, let's add one above 613. Let's go for that. Futures, just in case we get a reversal. At or below. Go to AMC, which should be reversing. Let's set one at 15. And let's set one 20. 1420 is pretty decent if it comes down from here. So just to get an idea of the range, remove this. Let's set one on Twitter. 58. We'll call that 58. How's the Dow? Who's leading? Who's leading? All right, Dow, SPX. Almost nearly flat. Yeah, Nasdaq tech leading slightly. All right, we'll call it here, guys. We'll call it here. We'll call it a stream. We went longer than usual. There was a lot of action this morning. Um, but with that, made lunch and dinner money. There we go. Um, with that, I think we're gonna end. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button. I greatly appreciate that. If you are new, we go live every single day at market open. We stopped doing power hour streams. I don't know when power hour streams are gonna resume. I really don't know. I have an exam later too. Damn, need to study for that. An exam. Uh, no, power hour streams were done. Last Friday was our last. Or we'll do occasional power hour streams if there's something like crazy going on, and I have the time. I'll just go about it. We'll stream, or I'll do spontaneous live streams. You guys will probably just be like, "Oh, Ralph is live during power hour." That's right. Stay healthy, man. Health is wealth. But with that being said, um, tomorrow morning I'll see you guys again. If your exams start the first school in March. No, man, I've been doing pretty good in school. I'm taking a summer class too. I'm just flying by this. I want to get this over with. Macroeconomics class over the summer. And I'm actually reading a macroeconomics a book for fun right now. Macro econ, learning more about inflation, interest rates, unemployment, the good stuff. It was born without you, power hour, but we understand. Just it's like pretend I'm there, pretend I'm next to you. Just pretend I'm there. I usually repeat a lot of the principles or the technicals, just what goes about with stocks, you know. We love you. I love all you guys. I appreciate all of you guys, everybody here watching. I'm in the Discord. I pop in here and there. I'll plug in the free Discord. It's free, by the way. But with that being said, AMC at 1460 holding. If we do see a GameStop pop here at 195, I'm gonna go crazy. As for Tesla, we're slightly above 6, so under 6, I might catch a day trade if I have the chance. I've tried day trading and driving. It's too risky. It's very risky. You don't want to do that, you know. Like I pulled over before just to trade on my phone, which you don't want to do. And Nasdaq still kind of flat here, so no sense of clear direction just yet. But we'll see where this takes us. Onion bite. You want GameStop to drop, huh? You know what happens when you bring out the onions. I took a look at the picture of Tom Brady for the last time and pretend you're here with me. Tom Brady bought the dip though on Bitcoin. All right, Tesla's pulling back. Lovely, lovely. We'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing rest of your day. You guys know the routine. Go out, get a good workout, meditate, do some breathing exercises, read a book, learn something new every day. If you're not learning, if you're not growing, you're dying.